Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rebiana. So today I have a wig sent to me from ADVERTISEMENTS hair. Now I did customize this by myself using FLEXIROD, you guys. I think FLEXIROD is really an easy go-to overnight type of curl that you can get, and they come in all different sizes, you guys, so you can get whatever kind of curl you want. Mostly I use the skinnier FLEXIRODs for the front and use like the bigger ones in the back. I will leave these down in my Amazon store so that you guys could check them out, just in case you guys were going for the look. Mostly I kind of just FLEXIROD going back because I knew that I had a middle part and I didn't want my FLEXIRODs going forward. So I tried to like curl them back every time. I tried, okay? Now I don't know, I have to go back and look at the footage, but that's what I tried to do. However, it came out a little bit more curlier because I used the skinnier rods. So this is what happens when you use skinnier rods. That's just that. I mean, that's just that. Now what I don't know is how long this is going to last. You know, FLEXIRODs, once you go out in the heat, which is not even like hot weather right now, but these curls are going to drop unless you spray some spritz on it. So you can spray your Got2b spray on it, or even if you just have some regular like Trust-and-Made holding spray, you can spray it on your hair to hold your curls. But I know during like the summer months and stuff like that, these FLEXIRODs, they do not last. But however, I think it's best for you to do it during the winter months because it's not going to drop as fast. But I would love to see how this look when it drops. I think it will look amazing. I think the lace on this is bomb. I think this is so nice and fun and flirty type of look, and I think you guys should definitely try it. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to when I started putting in the FLEXIRODs. over a HD lace frontal wig unit. Very much appreciate that from you guys. They sent me some goodies in here too. So I have some eyelashes, okay, some headbands, which I don't know why they sent me all these headbands. It's not a headband wig. Oh, they sent me another one of these headbands. Listen, last time they sent me one of those like super popular headband wigs, you guys. I was super appreciative because these companies can get weird with those prints. And then they sent me a satin head scarf. Jesus, I'm about to be writing up on these things. A satin scarf. This is a lot of stuff. An adjustable elastic band strap, I would say. A how-to hair care instructions. And a satin bag that says Alipearl on the front. Love that for me. And I love how their hair is like, their packaging is pink and stuff. I love that. This is the wig unit here. I had already FLEXIRODed this. I just wanted to do some FLEXIRODs because it was something different, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head. But I think I should cut off the lace in the back first. Put my wig on. Secure the comb in the back. And I already plucked this wig as well, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Love the lace. The lace is like super thin. I love that. I'm gonna take my ears out. And this side here. I have my wig on. I feel like I have it so far back, which is fine because I'm starting to like it that way on my hairline. So I'm about to go ahead and start taking my FLEXIRODs out, and I'm actually going to call my sister because I don't have anything else to do. Gang on the gang. Hopefully she answers. Sometimes she can act like she don't want to answer the phone.
Hello?
I was calling you back because I'm just taking out the FLEXIRODs in my hair. Mom got an attitude, clearly. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the FLEXIRODs. I have to focus and take out my do my videos because I'm not doing this when I. Oh, look at that.